here's a quick update on the robotic arm. So I custom designed this robotic hand and 3D printed them. So they kind of look really cool now, and I have this ACM logo up here and our university logo. Since I'm doing this project for our ACM, so I got this nice little logo up here. And so yeah, so this version uses the computer vision. The last one I did, it was the flex sensor, and in future I might use a potentiometer too. So it's like I'm playing around with all those kind of inputs to run this robotic hand. And eventually, if I have some time, I might use the electrodes and try to control the robotic hand using human brain. And let's see how this works.